time then to bring in Mrinalini Krishna as well, live from New Delhi to talk about what the markets can expect from the budget today. Mrinalini, the big question is the promises have been made, but will he deliver or not? What should the markets expect today?
Well, Mr. Chidambaram is known to be a meticulous man, a man of detail, and as he presents his 8th budget today, and perhaps that is what we could be looking for, not perhaps that one game-changing idea that he throws up every budget, because there is perhaps no elbow room to do so, but if the economic survey is anything to go by, I think the first and the key most focus of the budget will be to bring back growth. Mr. Chidambaram knows that he will have to instill confidence in his investors who are sitting not only across the globe, but also in India, as well as the Aam Aadmi, to bring back growth. He needs to spur investments to get the growth back on track. Of course, this is going to be a big litmus test for not only him but also the government, because it's the budget just a year before the elections, and he will have to toe that line of being typically how budgets before elections are populist. He will have to make sure that he cuts back on his expenditure, sticks to fiscal prudence, because fiscal deficit is again something that the markets and the rating agencies world across have been worried about. So clearly growth and fiscal prudence is two of the key takeaways that one could perhaps expect from the budget today.